So you can start with this one, which is just put a heading right now as a body projected vertically up from a tower. Okay, body projected vertically up from a tower. Just put a heading related to that. I'll try to teach you. Okay, I'll teach you that part. Don't worry. So just put a heading now. What is it now? Body projected vertically up from a tower. Okay, tower. Whenever I speak about a tower, we are not on the ground. We are already on the somewhere. Sano, and from there we need to solve the questions. The question will be lengthy, right? If you try to solve according to the normal way, if I follow, okay, the nominal sign convention of G, if I take it and it's solve now, that question will be very lengthy. Okay, so instead, what I'll follow is the sign convention of the motion in a straight line. I'll follow. Is it okay? Shall we start like that? So, did you put a heading? Body projected vertically up from a tower. Okay, chalo. So I'll talk about that. So what is a tower now? You are already from the ground. This is a ground. Let me take. The particle is actually from here to here. There is one body, which building, let's say height or some building or some whatever, some height from the ground. So we are considering here building, multi-stored building, we can say, right? So this one is H. Can I take it like that? Now what are you doing, Shabari? Are you available in the class? Shabari is standing here, frustrated with the physics class, playing with the lenses and all, idiot. Now he is throwing one of the ball, okay. So he is having one ball from here. So like this he is throwing with upside direction. It will reach to the maximum height, okay. And then after that what happens, it will come back. Will it come back or not, right? Okay, you don't draw the, you cannot draw exactly like parabola. Parabola means it will come in motion in a plane. It exactly goes up and comes down. So the curve will be very steep, right? So now it will go down, down, down like that, and it will reach, yes or no? So it reach with what velocity? Certain velocity it will reach to the ground V. Is it clear? Any difficulty? So now I'll follow the sign convention. Sign conventions are important right now. Why na? For example, you see, this is our reference point, am I correct? This much height. It is going upward direction, so it is automatically clearing this much height from the ground, from the building. What is the height now? Let's say X. Now coming downward direction, again it will cover the same distance or not? Yes or no? But I'll follow the sign conventions. Sign conventions are important. Taking the sign, with that you can easily solve any sort of question very, very easily. Right? Sign convention is, upside is what is that? We have a parameters. What are the displacement, velocity, final velocity, acceleration. All are up direction. Now I'll take it positive. All are down direction. Now what happens? I can take it as S, U, V and A also. I will take it in a downward direction. I'll take it negative. Is it clear? So negative na, you tell me this is positive, can I take it? Going upside, going downside, what is it here? Negative, can I take it? Again going down direction, what is this one here? Negative H, can I take it? So where is my starting point? Please tell me. Starting point is where is that? Yeah, here. This is here. Yes, I know at A position I am there, and at a B position my journey is getting over. Clear? So that is one thing. Now, are you clear? Is it done? We can solve it in a basic manner. You can solve it, like taking from here to here. This is a C point, A to C one time, and C to A or C to B also I can take it, and I can add it. This is a time of ascent. I can say this is time of descent, but it is a lengthy method. What is this method? Lengthy method. So instead, what I'll do here, I'll follow simple method, sign convention method. I'll follow. What is it now? Going up, then coming down. Yes or no? Going up direction, this velocity is positive or not? Starting point. Now whenever you are coming down, now you see this reference point. Whenever you are crossing this reference point, you are actually having influence of gravity or not? Yes or no? Then acceleration will be, what is it here? Acceleration is equal to, we know that going towards the conventional means nominal sign, already. towards the ground now, what is it? Plus g we will consider. But I am considering here acceleration. Acceleration is positive or negative? Negative. We should completely take the negative 9.8 meter per second square, or else what can I say here? Minus 10 meter per second square. Yes or no? Because I am strictly following what is it here? Sign convention. This side it is always positive, all the values are negative this side. Am I correct? So when this reference line is crossed, then it is the body is under the influence of what is that body? Acceleration. Yes or no? It is under the influence of which acceleration? Acceleration due to gravity, and the sign convention I am pakka following that. So downward direction minus 10 meter per second square I am following. So if you are taking the sign for everything, you have to take it sign for everything. If you are not taking sign, you have to follow only sign convention for whom? G. Yes or no? Clear? Nominal I told you already. Yes or no? Okay. Is it clear? Now which part? Now what I want to find now? I want to go upside and downside. So total displacement is now what is it here? So total displacement is equal to governing equation ut plus half at square. We have it. Yes or no? Now what is the displacement, buddy? Displacement from the starting point, which is you are covering x minus x minus h. Yes or no? Right? What about the u? Positive or negative? Yes, you are throwing up direction, so it should be positive only. So I am taking the positive value of u and t. T, can you write negative? No, positive. Very good, very good. Half into, what is it? A value. A value, what is it here? Minus 10. Yes or no? So it is instead of minus t, I will write a g. Can I write a? I am writing g value is what is that here? 10. Next t square. Can I use it like that? So total formula will convert into what is it now? Minus h is equal to ut minus half gt square, or else h is equal to what can I write here? Minus ut plus half gt square. Do not confuse, this thing is there in the NCERT also. Note down. You speak to the friends, right? No. How can I know? I have 4 classes. Which one is done? I don't know. Literally, I don't know. Really, I don't know. Speak to your friends. Indian was present. No, someone is present. So what should I do then? You insist me. What should I do? We are not following the sign, the nominal one. This is a sign convention for everything. Yes or no? Displacement, well, everything we are taking, right? See, I am telling you, if you miss the class now, next class is like a hell only. I knew. Okay, do not take it as a chemistry or a biology or something else like that. Those subject your own, you can learn it. This subject needs some expert. Okay, got it right? Some maturity is required for this one. You cannot deal by your own. I'm literally telling you. And the content you cannot find in any one book also. You have to go through the many books. Myself, I'll use Narayana, I'll use Alena, I'll use errorless physics. Many things I'll use. Okay. So do not miss any classes. I think child marriages are prohibited in Tamil Nadu, right? Are you sure? Taking 2-3 days leave, na, it matters a lot, okay? The fever or whatever, generally I'm telling you, 2-3 days means that only will feel, right? Bro, it's okay. Don't worry. Chill, I'll tell you what to do. Clear? Huh? Clear? Any difficulty? If you are taking sign convention, take it for every parameter. If you are not taking the sign convention, what we do? Acceleration due to gravity, nominal things will take. Means going towards the ground is positive will take. Going above is will take it as negative. Reverse will take it there. Here we'll take it according to the the reference frame. This is what you call this one.
How do you got the second step? That's not been explained.
This one.
That's it. Both.
This is formula, buddy. This is
formula. Because
S is we are adding. Starting from point A to C you're going. C to
B.
total how much distance?
X.
Plus X. Going up, coming down, negative X.
Coming down, minus.
Again down,
Coming down, minus H.
total added,
Minus H.
minus H yogam. UT, U is going upside up, positive. Starting point la positive, right? Positive U. Minus half into A is positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative, right? We are taking negative only, no? So I'll write minus half into GT.
G, we are taking G as x.
If you are taking acceleration, you have to write acceleration negative.
Okay.
Then you will get this one. Clear? Any difficulty, buddy? No, right? Shall we do one question on it? Shall we do? Okay. What's your name, you said?
Pranesh. Pranesh.
Now, okay, Pranesh went to the multi-store building, okay, because took 3-4 days leave, right? Somewhat, I don't know. Yes or no? He took someone along with him also. Sanore? Someone, something, some brand, okay. You imagine, okay, don't have to tell, you imagine. This is thrown upside with the initial velocity, how much I can say? 20 meter per second square. Right? 20. A second only. I'm very sorry. No, local brand effect. All a local brand. Okay. So now what happens here? Here to here the height was, let's say 25 meters. Height is how much here? 25 meters. The throwing upside. It is going like this upside. It is going at one point. It is going. Then it is coming down. Like this. It will come down to the ground or not? Obviously, anything goes up will come down. Yes. We should accept that. Okay. It is going with the coming down with the velocity v. Fine. Okay. I'll ask you to find. Okay. I'll ask you to find time taken to reach the ground. Okay. This ball or body or particle, whatever, or matching auntie also, no issue. Goes up and coming down. What is the answer? Yes or no? I have to deal with them every day. Not in a single day. Every day I have to deal with them. Right? Yes or no, Nishan? They think yellow, what is it? Yellow scooty as a toy. Karma. Chalo. Solve it now. What did I ask you from this one? What is the time taken by this ball to reach the ground? Okay. 3, yeah? 5. Very good. Chalo, do it. So I am asking you time taken to reach the ground. See, in exam we will have very less time. You have to use this concept clearly. Right? Chalo, do it, buddy. What do you can get it? Time taken to reach the ground. What is the time taken to reach the ground? Same sign convention can I follow? Yes or no? Simply, what is it here? Going up direction, coming to the reference point. This is not at all considered. Acceleration at this point, it is coming down direction. So it will be, what is that I can follow? Minus h is equal to ut minus half into gt square. Can I use this formula? Yes or no? Or else we can use it as a h is equal to minus ut plus half into gt square. Now give me the answer. Minus u value is how much I told you? 20. you write the data, so you will get the answer for it. What is that? Height was here, so 25, which is equal to u value is how much? Minus 20, t, g value take it 10, plus half into what is that here? 10 into t square. Okay, this will be 5 times, right buddy? 5 if you cancel everywhere. What is this here? 5 is equals to minus 4t plus t square. So you need to solve the equation t square minus 4t minus 5 is equals to 0. Yes or no? So this is looks like what is that? Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. The root of this one, how do you calculate? So x is equal to, you know already, x is equal to rt is equal to, do it. X is equal to what is it here? Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Similarly, t is equal to find out. Plus 5, are you sure? Plus 5 minus 1. Which one is correct? Time cannot be negative. So, total value is how much? Plus 5 seconds. Is it done? Any difficulty? Next, I want next question. Next question also you have to do it. In this one I can also ask you, okay, two questions I can ask you. One is that this particle thrown upside reached to the maximum height from this particular point. What is that height? Calculate x from this one. Yes or no? Next question is what is that here? Not the time taken, but I am asking you to find a height of the body from the building or from the ground. Can you? Just do it. So next question from the same data, I will try to do height of the body at a point C from the ground. Shall we do it? You can follow sign convention or else you cannot follow also, you will get the answer. What is this now? It is going up direction, right? I know this height, this one you know already. This part though already you knew, but this one you don't know. X value you need to find out. How do you find out? So I'll do the same formula. So see, S is equal to ut plus half at square, I know. Am I correct? Now I'll follow the sign convention because my topic is sign convention, so I'll take the sign convention. Let's do it. So now it is going upward direction, so x will be positive or not. So s is equal to I am taking x positive. U value is positive or not? How much here? 20 meter per second, which is positive or negative? Positive, obviously. What about acceleration due to gravity? Positive or negative? Trunk ray? I told you already positive. Sign convention I am taking. So it will be plus what is it? So instead of taking a g, that's why I write it plus 10 minus 10, it would be better. Going upside I am taking here, what is it here? 10 meter per second square. See, everywhere I am using the sign convention. Are you clear? Huh? But do you know that time? Do you know the time? So this is valid. Huh? Can you use this sign? This formula you cannot use. Which formula you can use now? V square minus u square is equal to 2a. Yes. Can I write? Yes or no? Do it. So final velocity at the C point is 0. We know that. And then rest of the things you try to do it. Sign convention, bro. Sign convention. Previous one, why did you take minus? Previous one, why did you take minus? The previous time when you calculated a time, just check it.
Okay, but so when we change the signs,
Sign.
usually the minus and both sides, so we got
We are not multiplying. We are writing the sign. Going up, positive, 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 positive. Like got it.
cancellation is downwards.
Very good, very good. That's what I am trying to tell now.
So that x is equal to 20.
Guys, is it a positive or negative? This is positive or negative, this value? Because your velocity keep on decreasing or not? Acceleration due to gravity will act which direction, Ray? Down direction, yes or no? So what is the answer will write here? Negative only. Yes or no? It is opposing you, right? It is not supporting you, it is opposing you. Yes or no? So it is always every point, what is it that? Acceleration is downwards only. So minus I have to take.
By time dimension, the displacement is negative. If the displacement is negative, means the direction will be upward direction.
Positive, buddy. Displacement is positive. Going upward is positive. Upward is positive. Downward is negative. Upward I am taking it is positive value. Displacement. Okay. Velocity is also upward positive I have taken. But what about acceleration at every point? What is the acceleration? It tries to come down, right? Yes or no? So what is the g value I should take it here? Minus or plus or minus? Got it? Huh? So what is the answer now? I'll get it here in this one. Minus u square na minus 20 square, which is equal to 2 times of a means
10, 10,
minus 10. Very good. What about the x?
that 400 is equal to 220.
So x is equal to how much I get? Tell me.
That minus 3.
Minus 3, idiot.
Then these 520 is 400.
Tell. I am getting it. Okay, idiot. Huh? The minus coming 20, idiot. Then total height will be what is it? Tell me. H plus x, right? Total answer. Total answer, buddy. 25 plus 20, which will be how much here? 45 meters. Yes or no? So you understood that I have taken plus only earlier, but acceleration due to gravity is always downwards. So it indicates what is that here? Minus. This makes lot of trouble in upcoming days. You are following the sign convention. This is the problem. Clear? Shall we move on? I am asking you, with what velocity that ball will strike the ground? Chalo, now do it. You got my question? With what velocity that ball will strike the ground? Chalo, do it. (30 meters per second). Guessing is not allowed in my class, you know, right? The scale will break on your back, idiot. 30, yeah? Again the same answer. Chalo. Tell me, Tuin, what can I do? It reached a point here. From there, what is this? We are asking here, with what velocity ball will strike the ground? Oh, thank you. We'll check it. Now you know already it is going upward direction, it doesn't matter for us. We'll try to see from the C point only. Okay, C to, let's say this is a B point. Yes or no? This is a B point. C to B, what is happening? Now it is a freely falling only, no? Yes or no? C to B. C to B, it is coming down. It's freely falling. What is the velocity? Initial velocity now? 0. Free fall is 0, right? Final velocity is positive or negative? Sign convention, positive or negative? Going downward direction, right? So it will be negative. Understand, right? What about I am following all the sign conventions only. You can do directly also, it doesn't matter. Okay. We'll try to do that only. V square minus U square. Okay, 2AS. This formula I am using. U square is 0 now. Right? B square is there. Means it is coming down. Even though negative value also, what is it? It becomes positive. 2A into what is it here? A value is what is it? Right? Minus 10. What about the displacement? Completely from downside. What is this? Minus 45. Yes or no? Minus 45 or not? So total answer? Yes or no? Right? Total height is that only, no? Minus 45. Sign conventions. What is the answer? I'll get it here. V is equal to 30 meter per second. Got it? So did you understand the model of this question? Yes or no? Squared, right? Yeah, V value will be negative. Whole square will be positive. Negative means towards the ground direction. Yeah, it is towards the ground, whatever. Negative value only will come. What is there? Problem kya? Minus 30, yeah. By minus 30? Yeah, very good. Shall we? Next concept, shall we do it? What sign convention?
When we should take create
Array, graph you didn't do a positive x, this is positive IA, this is negative x and negative. Whatever goes up, you take it positive. Whatever comes down, take it negative. Goes up positive, comes down negative. Right side positive, left side negative. Where are you standing? At the observation point. Clear? Next, some concept we'll try to understand here. Shall I draw these figures? Guys, can you open the window set? There. Aranian, get up. Open those windows.
well, I will tell you
Then we'll also. Ray, use your brain, Ray. Yeah, I got it. Was thinking about sign convention. Whether should I use positive or negative? Done, buddy. Okay, these three cases are there. I wanted to write some of the relations with it. Simple relations. Did we solve this one or not? Till now we did that only, no? Yes, very good. What about this one? This also we did. This one we are throwing down from the something which is exactly from the reference level, from the height of the building itself, and something is freely falling. That's it. So three cases, three situations. Clear? Now here, listen over. I want the time taken by the body. What is that I am talking here? Time in each situation. The main concept I wanted to mention is time. Time taken body to reach the ground. Here it will reach the ground. Here it will reach the ground. Here it will reach the ground. Clear? Are you getting my point here? So let's say the time taken to reach the ground is a t1 here. In this situation, what I am taking here? T1. So you know formula. What is the formula? H is equal to minus ut plus half yes or no gt square t1. Can I use it like that? 1 equation 1. What about this one? Throwing down with a velocity v. Yes or no? That time na same thing what I'll do. So it is going downward direction. So what I'll do? Listen here. I'll use the formula governing equation ut plus half at square. Right? Huh? It is going down, so s value will be, this will be negative or positive? Negative. Every time height will reduce, right? So negative. U value is positive or negative? Negative. Very good. What about A value? Negative or positive? Negative. So instead of A, what I'll do? G by 2 t square. Can I take it like that? But this situation, what is this here? 2. Can I take it like that? Next, what happens here? H is equal to, I can write a u t2 and plus a g by 2 t2 square. Can I write like that? Next situation, this one, can you just tell me? Initial velocity is 0. So what is the height is equal to, what is that here? G by 2 t3 square. Each situation 1, 2 and then 3. They will say like this only. But okay, what they'll do, they'll create some situation. The ball is taken to the certain height, thrown with velocity. Okay, the ball is, same ball is freely falling down. Okay, the time relation they'll ask you. What is that they'll ask you? Time relation from the each case they'll ask you. We'll try to do that. Note down fast. So I wanted to create a relation between a times here. What is it here? The time taken this one is t1, time taken this one is t2, time taken this one is t3. All relation will try to create. Is it okay? Shall we? So I'll write you see 1 and 2, I'll make it equal. Because 1 is also h is equal to this much. 2 is also equal to this much. Okay. Now write the answer in terms of u and t. Okay. Let's see what happens here. Left side minus u t1 plus g by 2 t1 square, which is equal to, what is this one here? U t2 plus g by 2 t2 square. Can I write like that? U term you take it this side and g term you can take it this side. Can I take it like that? Anything is possible. So what happens here? So this side, what is it here? U, if I take it common, t2 plus t1. Can I write like that? This side here, g by 2, I'll take it common. So what happens here? T1 minus t2, this is square, this is also square. It is a minus b whole square formula only, no? Am I correct? So what happens here? G by 2 t1 plus t2 and t1, yes or no, t1 minus t2. Can I write like that? Which is equal to u times of t2 plus t1. Can I write like that? Can I cancel them? Yes, of course we can do it. This one and this one can I cancel? So what is the u value now? U is equals to g by 2, yes or no, t1 minus t2. This is a initial velocity relation. Clear? Earlier the initial velocity is upside, the same initial velocity with the downside you are throwing. So what is the u relation here? G by 2 t1 minus t2. Got it? Tota? Clear? Okay. Can I use one more slide? You wrote it, right? You just help me with that. So these relations I will ask. Now this relation, let's say this is equation number 4. Can I take it like that? Now place equation number 4 in equation number 2. Yes or no? Do it. Equation number 4 in a equation number 2. Do it. What is the equation number 4 in a equation number 2? H is equal to u. Instead of u I will replace with what rate? G by 2 into what is that here? T1 minus T2 and multiplied with a T2. Yes or no? Plus G by 2 T2 square. Then what is the answer? I will get it here. G by 2 T1 T2 minus G by 2 T2 square plus G by 2 T2 square. Right? This one and this one can I cancel? Yes or no? So what is the height answer? Height will be G by 2 T1 plus T2. You can find like this also, right?
Time will be total time for output and right from cycle to
Not like that, buddy. Situations are like that. Earlier is throwing upside, like this you are throwing with the same velocity. Second one, same velocity you are throwing downside. That situation.
those two times.
Those are different times, right? Obviously. What about this is relation number? What is that here? 4 or 5? Then 5 is substituted in where? 3. Do it. So H is equal to what is that here? We have G by 2 T1 T2 and 3. What is that? G by 2 T3 square. Yes or no? Check the diagram. So what happens now? If I just equate this to G by 2 T1 T2 which is equal to G by 2 T cube T3 square. G by 2 can I cancel? So T3 is equal to what is it? Under root of T1 T2. Is it done? Is it done, buddy? Any difficulty till now? No. Can you able to solve the questions now? Related to this one, can you solve? What Shabari and Fire? Both are romancing idiots. See this side. Is it clear? Do this question. Given in JE 14. Chalo, start. Can you do it? So we will get one relation actually. We have already formula with you. Yes or no? Some formula you have it or not? So simple question. There is a
So figure it will
buddy. Right. Now simple logic here. Body is gone vertically up. Are you sure? Going to the maximum height like this, and then it is coming down on the ground. So it will reach with certain speed or not like this. We have a formula. If the height of the building is how much here? H, right? What is that formula, buddy? Tell me. H is equal to U minus, buddy, please do not forget this minus. Minus ut plus g by 2 t square. Got it? This is equation number 1. From the first statement till here. Particle is thrown vertically upwards with the velocity u. The formula is this one. Clear? Second statement is important. The time taken by the particle to hit the ground. Okay, hit the ground is a total time, which is what is that here? Total time. N times that the time taken to reach the highest point from its path. Are you getting my point here? Which means this is the highest point, right? So here what is the time taken here? T1 time. Here what is the time taken? It would might be T2 time. Yes or no? This is the T2 time. Am I correct? Yes or no? Now what is it I want to ask you, that simple they have given. Time taken by particle to hit the ground is, which is T is equals to n times of the time taken by it to reach the highest point of its path, which means what is it here? T1. Am I correct? The relation of H, U and L. Okay. Let's write that this is your equation number, what is it here? 2. Am I correct, buddy? So now whenever it reaches the maximum height, what is the velocity here? What is the velocity here? 0. We can create one relation. So we can use u is v minus u is equal to, can I write at? Yes or no, can I write at? This relation I am using. At highest point what is happening here? 0. The sign convention if I follow for u, it is a positive only. Then what about a value? A value what is that here? Minus 10. Do you remember that? Going up direction, right? Minus 10. Sign convention, you got it right? Going up minus 10. T1. Am I correct? So what is the answer? I'll get it here. T1 is equal to what is that, right? U by 10, or else you can write U by G. Can I write it? What is equation number? What is it here? 3. Clear? Shall I move on? So you substitute in a 3 in a 2. If I substitute, what is that? I'll get it. What is the relation? T is equal to n times of a U by G. I'll get it. And this relation I am substituting in a, let's say this is equation number 4. 4 you should substitute in a 1. You will get the answer. Do it. So H is equals to, what is that answer? T1 U by G you can. So T is nothing but what is it? U by G you substitute, which means minus U instead of T, what can I write? N into U divided by G. Then G by 2 instead of T, what can I write? NU divided by G whole square. Clear, buddy? So if I try to solve this one, H is equal to, what is it? I can get it minus NU square divided by G. You also solve it. So this is a G, N square U square divided by what is it here? 2 into G square. It's visibly I can write a G and G I can cancel. So this 2G if I try to take it, h is equal to what is it here? Minus n u square g, and this one plus n square u square divided by 2g. Okay. If 2g common, if you take it now, if it comes this side, it will be 2gh. Here what happens here? This will be 2 na, it will be 2 here multiplied by 2g square. So LCM, if you take it, what is the answer, buddy? If you take it at g common, I can take it. So 2 is multiplied here, so it will be minus n. So n square minus what is that, right? Minus n square into n into u square will be the answer, buddy. Just check it whether it is correct or not. So this is the relation you will get it for the, this is the answer. Got it, huh? So if you have done, then you can move. Thank you. See you. Any doubt here? You understood how to take the sign conventions today? Chalo. Is it 2n? Yeah, it's 2n. 2n, 2n. Yeah. Here it will be 2, right? So use. Keep it on that day. Thank you. You are confused there. Just give me a minute.